Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Maricel and welcome to my YouTube channel. This afternoon I would like to share to you the features of a Panasonic automatic bread maker. Model is this ZB2502. It comes with the operating instructions and our recipes. This one. Okay, this is now what we call the bread pan, where you can insert there the blades. These are the kneading blades. Yeah. So when you bake, you just insert this one inside, and this is now it looks like. Okay, let's come now to the bread machine. Okay, right on the top is the dispenser. This is for the raisin and the nut dispenser, and this is for the yeast dispenser. This Panasonic automatic bread maker, there are 27 menu to follow. The next one, this is now where you put the bread pan, and you close, showing that we are cooking, we are baking the bread. This is now the menu here. Okay, you just press this one like this, press until such time you will find the right menu for your recipe. For example, if I bake a white loaf bread, the menu that I'm using is number 1. I'm looking for number 1, so this is number 1, and it tells me now how many hours for the white loaf bread to cook. It is 4 hours. The next feature here is the size. It's the size of the bread, whether it is medium, large, and extra large. So if you are baking for a medium loaf bread, so you just press this one here, so that is medium. But if you're cooking for a large bread, of course you will press it again twice, and if you're cooking for extra large, you press 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. Extra large. So the same time, 4 hours, and this is now the timer. You can set the delay timer, or you can set the time for cooking or baking using menu number 15, which is bake only, menu number 26, which is making jam, and the other one is menu number 27. So 15, menu number 15, 26, and 27. So you can use this timer, and if you want to delay, you can use this one. This arrow down if you want to decrease the time, and the arrow up if you want to increase the time. After choosing the menu, next to that is you will press the size of your bread you are making, whether medium, large, and extra large, and the color of the crust, if you want it light, medium, and dark. Once it is all ready, you press this button here, start. So once the cooking completed, you just press the stop and open the lid. Be careful because it's very hot, and then with a pot holder, you get the bread pan, and now your bread is already cooked. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.